Math terms in real life. Transparent explanations by English language learners with references to their native countries. We are talking about culturally responsive teaching, which leads to culturally responsive learning. Why culturally responsive teaching? Why? Because culturally responsive teaching helps bridge those gaps by engaging students from underrepresented cultures, which can be informed by everything from race and ethnicity to religion and ability, in the learning process in ways that are meaningful and relevant to them. The benefits of culturally responsive teaching are undeniable. Why? And now, students will share with you their presentations on math terms in real life.
Hi, my name is Hai Liu. I'm from Vietnam, officially the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. In Vietnamese, we call Cộng hòa xã hội chủ nghĩa Việt Nam. It's a country in Southeast Asia and the easternmost country on the Indonesian peninsula. This map is Sóc City, where I born. Today I talk about probability. The meaning of term many events cannot be predicted with total certainty. The best we can say is how likely they are to happen using the idea of probability. My first image is a Vietnamese game of probability. Fish, crab, shrimp. You have 3 dice, 6 images, and 6 sides on each dice. Pick one or more of the images and roll on 3 of the dice. The probability of winning is 50%. That is because when you bet on an image, there is 1 out of 2 chance of it show up. Either it show face up or it does not show face up. It is a game of chance. People can make different types of bets which affect their chance of winning. People can bet on 1 or more images. People can bet different amount of money. I played this game when I was in Vietnam. I also played this game a couple of months ago. I play with money. $1 per bet. I won $17. I play with some friends who are Vietnamese and with some co-worker. Some people who I play with won and some people lose. Even though the probability of the winning is 50%. I think I won because it is a game of chance. I believe I make the right bet at the right time. My second image is a boy and a girl from Vietnam. The image is a reminder about the probability of a mother having a boy or a girl. The probability is 1 out 2. That is 50%. That's it because there is 2 choices of each birth and 1 out of 2 could be a girl and 1 out of 2 could be a boy.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Lynch. I'm from Haiti, Puerto. Haiti, officially the Republic of Haiti. French Republic d'Haïti, Haitian Creole Republic d'Haïti. Informally known as Haiti, is a country located on the island of Hispaniola in the Greater Antilles archipelago of the Caribbean Sea. So, to the east of Cuba and Jamaica and south of the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Island. And this is where I was born. It's Saint Port-au-Prince. And today I would like to talk about patterns. Meaning of patterns. A pattern is a repeat arrangement of numbers, shape, colors, and so on. The pattern can be related to the type of event or object. If the set of numbers are related to each other in specific way, then the way or manner called a pattern. My first image is a bakery in Haiti. It is called Bakery for Season. In Haitian Creole, it's pronounced Boulanger 4 Saisons. On the blue door of bakery, you can see a pattern. At the bottom, there are 4 square rounded corner design. The squares are repeated to make a pattern. My second image is a flag of Haiti. The pattern on the flag shows red at the bottom and blue at the top. Directly in the middle there is a picture of an emblem of Haiti. 5 Haitian people are holding up the flag. We Haitians are proud of our country and our flag. My third image is a number 2 to 12. When counting by twos, I am following a pattern. I could continue counting by twos forever because the number are infinite. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 8. In Haitian Creole, the first 6 number in the pattern will sound like deux, quatre, six, huit, six, 12. So thank you for listening to my presentation about patterns.
Hi, it's me Dawa Sherpa. I'm a Asian Nepali. Nepal, officially the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a sovereign country in South Asia. It is mainly in the Himalayas, but also includes part of the Indo-Gangetic plain. You can see on the right side there is a map of Nepal which circles with the red markers. So I'm going to talk about today with about perpendicular. So perpendicular is the relationship between the two lines which meets at a right angle. A right angle is a 90-degree angle. So I have three images here. First, I have shown an image of a 90-degree angle. The blue box in the corner verifies that it is perpendicular or right angle. My second image is about an information board at point of the Nepal where many people visit, and it has a perpendicular angle in the corner of the top and bottom. My third image is flag of Nepal, which has perpendicular in the corner where the pole in the flag connect. I put a purple box to show the 90-degree angle. And my last image is Mount Everest, which is located in Nepal. It has elevations of 8,848.86 meters. I put a red square at the top of the mountain to show that the peak looks perpendicular. Thank you for listening my projects. Thank you.
My name is Nerica Mendes Teixeira. I'm from Fogo, Cape Verde or Cabo Verde. Cape Verde is a Portuguese island. It is officially the Republic of Cabo Verde, is an archipelago and island country in the Central Atlantic Ocean, consisting of 10 volcanic islands with a combined land area of about 4,032 square kilometers, 1,557. I have mapped Fogo is in the circle. My word is integer, meaning of term. An integer is a number with no decimal or fractional parts. It is a whole number. Integer can be negative or positive, but they cannot have fractional parts or decimal parts. For example, -1, 2, 3, 1, -50, -8,007. My first image is my son Caden. He is 6 months old. He has 10 fingers. My math teacher, Miss Wickford, told me that I can start teaching him to use integers to count with his finger. He has 10 fingers. Every day I show him how to count to 10 with his finger. The current numbers are integers. He will be using the integer 1 to 10 before he even realizes what an integer is. My second image is 3 Cape Verdean people. When I count people, I use integers because each person is a whole person. There is no fraction of a person. Without integers, it would be a problem when counting whole things. My third image is a bus in Cape Verde. The bus number 555. They use integer for bus number because whole numbers are easier for people to remember. On the front, at the bottom of the bus, it says 90 anos a fazer números, a fazer amigos. Doesn't mean 90 years to make a friend. This bus has been around in Cape Verde for 9 years. The number 90 is an integer. They use integer to give the time a whole number. Thank you for listening to my presentation about integers.
Okay. My name is Wilder Sandoval. I am Hispanic from Guatemala. Guatemala is obviously the Republic of Guatemala. It is a country in the Central America bordered by Mexico to the north and west to the Belize, and the Caribbean to the northeast, Honduras to the east, El Salvador to the southeast, and the Pacific Ocean to the south. With an estimated population of around 117.2 million. I have a map of Guatemala, and the red circle, we can see it, there is the name of Jutiapa, that's my city. So my word is federal. The meaning of the term, it is a map. Federal is two lines they are equidistant from each other and never meet. I have three imaginers. My first imaginary shows a flag of Guatemala and the communications building. The flag has an image of the emblem in the middle. The three sections of the flag are parallel to each other. The first imaginary also shows two communication buildings. They are sitting parallel to each other. You can see the space between them, which is the same distance all the points. My second imagining is a train track in Guatemala. The train track is traveling from Petén to Izabal. The train track of the train are parallel because if they were not, the train could have an accident. The third imagine, it is a parking lot at Walmart in Guatemala. The cars are parking parallel so more cars can fit. There are parallel lines in the parking lot to show the people how to do the parallel parking. Thank you.
My name is Eduardo Flores. I'm Hispanic. I'm from Honduras. Honduras, Central America. Honduras, officially, the Republic of Honduras is a country in Central America. The Republic of Honduras is bordered to the west by Guatemala, to the south by El Salvador, to the southwest by Nicaragua, to the south the Pacific Ocean of the Gulf of Fonseca, and the north by the Gulf of Honduras, a large inlet of the Caribbean Sea. I have a map for Honduras, and my word is symmetry. The meaning of symmetry is the quality of being made of the exactly similar parts, facing each other around and 6. I have 3 images down here. My first image is a soccer emblem, Real Madrid vertical symmetry on a ground on the top. My second is soccer field have vertical symmetry. I used to play soccer when I was in Honduras. The third image is my imperfect body has vertical symmetry. If you look at all the 3 images, you will see the vertical symmetry. I draw vertical lines down the middle of the ground of the emblem, down the middle of the soccer field, and down to the middle of the image. Of me, everything on both sides of the vertical line similarly. Therefore, the image of vertical symmetry.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you for listening to our presentation